Ready to crown the ultimate AI champion? Let's dive straight into a head-to-head battle. Copilot versus ChatGPT. First up, let's test their creative writing skills. I'm giving them both the same challenging prompt, a short story about a sentient toaster oven. Observe how each platform interprets the request, focusing on plot originality, character development, and overall writing style. Notice the differences. Copilot often leans towards more descriptive and imaginative prose, while ChatGPT typically offers a more concise and direct narrative. Now, let's switch gears and challenge them with generating coding snippets. Here, I asked both to write a simple Python function. Look closely at the code quality, error handling, and how well commented each version is. Code that runs without debugging is always great. Copilot often excels in this area, providing more detailed explanations and error handling, making it a particularly helpful tool for those learning to code. ChatGPT is functional, but can sometimes need debugging. Ultimately, the better AI depends on your needs. Copilot offers enhanced coding assistance and advanced creative options, while ChatGPT delivers faster, more straightforward answers. So, tell me in the comments, which is your go-to AI tool?